Hello friends, this video on Matter and Magnetism Part 29 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till Part 28 before going ahead with Part 29. On the basis of this concept, this observation was of Ampere's. Actually, Ampere was the one who observed this parallel and anti-parallel currents attraction and repulsion phenomenon. So Ampere was the one. So after he was able to understand the phenomenon behind this attraction and repulsion of parallel and anti-parallel currents, he defined Ampere. Ampere was anyways the unit of current, but he defined Ampere in terms of this force between parallel currents. So how did he define Ampere using this? So in the previous slide, we saw that the force experienced by one current carrying conductor due to another current carrying conductor is equal to mu naught IAIB divided by 2 pi d into L. This is the force experienced by one current carrying conductor due to the other current carrying conductor, right? So we can write it as force per unit length is equal to mu naught IAIB divided by 2 pi d. So how he defined 1 ampere was, he said that 1 ampere is the steady current which when maintained in each of the two very long straight parallel conductors of negligible cross section and placed 1 meter apart in vacuum would produce on each of these conductors a force equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. He said that 1 ampere is that amount of current which if you maintain in two conductors which are long and have negligible cross-sectional area such that they are placed 1 meters apart in vacuum, each of these conductors will experience a force which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So how did he get this? If you look at this equation F by L, if you try to calculate the value of F by L considering current in each of them as 1 ampere, what do you get? And also considering that the distance between them is 1 meter. So this will also become 1. So you will get this value as mu naught by 2 pi. So that will be equal to, we know that mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So this divided by 2 pi. So this will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So when the current in each of this conductor is 1 ampere and the distance between them is 1 meter, in that case the force experienced by each of these conductors is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So this is how Ampere defined 1 ampere of current after his observation. Right? Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.